Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can find Steam files in your Windows 11. So the process is really simple. You just need to open your file explorer and then go to the home, and then actually you will to see the options called local disk C. Just enter that one and then you just need to go to the program files 86. Once you come over here, then find it out the Steam folder. So here you can see this is the Steam folder. You just need to go over here. So from that place you just need to again find out Steam apps options. Here you can see this is the Steam apps. You just need to go over here, then enter to the common, and then Steam work share. You just need to go over here, then go to the common, and then actually you will able to see this after where your apps are installed. So this is the easiest way to find out Steam game files. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.